I am so grateful that the skin store has sent me this box. It introduced me to a beautiful product. I really enjoyed using it, looking at it. I love the way my skin feels, and I think it looks fantastic. I would love for the dark spots to go away, but other than that, I feel like I have a glow, and I feel my face is very moisturized. I have a problem with dry skin, so I really enjoy that part of it. Skin Store is part of the same group as the LOOKFANTASTIC company. If you haven't seen my video on LOOKFANTASTIC, you can link right here. So let me tell you a little bit about the Filorga Laboratories. In 1978, this guy right here started studying skin products and came up with a product that is the basis of a bunch of injectables that are used throughout the world. So especially in Korea, where they have all this craze about glass skin, this laboratory created a concoction with about 55 ingredients in it. A bunch of them are minerals, and some are well-known skin product benchmarks like hyaluronic acid. So they have been creating injectables for over 20 years, I think, and they have created this specific formulation called NCEF injection, which is an anti-aging skin booster. So here's what it's supposed to do: improve skin tone, fine lines, elasticity, pore size, collagen production, and it strengthens the skin barrier. It is also used in the treatment of sunspots. They said that they have noticed good results with the sunspots as well. So this injectable is used regularly in places like Korea and probably France. I don't know. As an injectable, this product is not currently used in the US because it's not FDA approved. However, they have reformulated it so that the skin can absorb the products in it. It's called the Filorga NCEF. They're using injectable compounds, but superficially, so they're not actually going under the skin. So if you consider hyaluronic acid, which is a molecule that attracts water, and so many products that we use has it, when it's on your skin, it soaks up water from the environment and kind of makes your skin nice and moist. In this case, the injectable would be putting the hyaluronic acid in the dermis, so like underneath the skin, and it would be creating that water absorption from within the skin. This reformulated NCEF is supposed to work similarly. So that's pretty cool. If you can have a product that can soak into your skin just by touching it, and then bringing fluids to that part of the skin where all the cell rejuvenation and collagen building is taking place, that would be fantastic. Also, they claim that the results can be seen within 7 days and 15 days for the dark spots. So this is a limited edition box, so it's only going to be there for a little bit. The company decided, okay, let's look at the ingredients and the products within Filorga that we want to put together and curate this box for our customers. The Skin Store decided to do that. Packed with a range of anti-aging skincare formulated with NCEF, which is the compound that acts like the injectable, but without being injectable. And I did find a lot of websites, they're international, of doctors' offices that offer the Filorga injections. Curated this collection to give you high-performance skin care at your fingertip for visible results in 7 days. I've only used it for 3 days, you guys. I can attest that it does moisturize your skin heavily. I like it. So I decided not to wear makeup today because I wanted you guys to see the skin as it is. So I've used the masks like twice, like some of the masks. There's a filler product, and my skin feels super moist all the time. And I read one of the doctors saying, especially in Korea, that within 3 seconds of washing your skin dries out. So you have to combat that within 3 seconds. These products are super nice because once you wash your skin, and that's what I did this morning, I exfoliated using Peach's products, and you can see that video here. I exfoliated and I did the 2 first steps, and then for moisturizing, I just went ahead and started putting masks on, and I put 2 masks on this morning and the eye cream. And this is what it looks like without makeup. Now I did put a little highlighter here, and of course I did my eye makeup because I needed to look good for you guys, and I'm using my fake contact lenses that I showed last time. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it. It was super fun. I think it was super entertaining. In 3 days I already feel the difference in my, I think they're in 50 countries. So the first product that we're going to talk about is the MesoMask. First of all, just let me tell you, if you're one of my followers, you know I am a sucker for packaging. I think this is just gorgeous. It's a translucent lucite container, plastic, beautiful, with very simple black letters, just gorgeous. And the whole line, they did spend a lot of time designing these gorgeous, modern looking products. They're just very futuristic. The product itself looks beautiful inside of the container, and you can see through. It's almost silver-like. It has a value of $59. You get a full-size sample. Improve the appearance of your skin with this anti-wrinkle lightening face mask that works to enhance skin's natural radiance whilst targeting signs of aging and fatigue. You're supposed to apply it twice a week on your face, around the eye area, the neck, and the décolletage. I did not try the décolletage. I just spent no effort into this area. I don't tend to have a lot of spots here. My neck is my problem area. And of course, skin, as far as skin spots, my face. You leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes and you remove it with a wet cotton pad. Well, if you get it on your hair or your eyebrows, it won't remove easily. So I did something that you're probably not supposed to do. I washed it off, but whatever. We'll see. Still, I feel like it worked. I left it on for about 30 minutes each time I've used this week, and I think that was enough to penetrate whatever it is that I was gonna do. But it is a white mask, and it needs to be removed, and especially if you're going to apply something afterwards. I think there's a lot of silicone in the products because some of it peeled, so I washed it off. The next product is the OptimEyes Eye Contour Cream. It's a full size and the value is $49. Target visible signs of aging with this triple action eye cream utilizing a potent blend of hyaluronic acid and NCEF complex, which is that complex that has the 55 different ingredients in it. A lot of them are like zinc and magnesium and such. Works to tackle dark circles, puffiness, and wrinkles. Suitable for vegetarians. Maybe it's not tested on animals or has no animal byproduct like urea. So this is specific product they said is suitable for vegetarians. They did not say vegans, but vegetarians. Now that packaging, again, how gorgeous is that? In order to access the product, all you do is you twist the lid of the product and the dispenser pops up. Super cute. I don't currently use an eye cream, so I'm so glad I got this. Thank you guys at Skin Store for sending that. Fantastic. Okay, the next product is the TimeFiller Mask, which I used yesterday. Though it's a one-use mask, it was $11. Soaked in a formula containing tightening and lifting ingredients, this mask will leave you with smooth and visibly younger looking skin within minutes. So everything they say is within minutes, and the reason for that is probably because of the hyaluronic acid. And I used it yesterday, put it on. It's a black fiber technology, stays on for 15 minutes. And then when you remove it, you don't wash it off. You just kind of like massage it into the skin. And it does, again, the sense of moisture is there. It's a little tacky, and even now my face still feels tacky, which I think it's that the idea of keeping things nice and moist, but probably causing it to create some sort of barrier. But I like it. Look at that. I really think that and also it brought some sort of rosiness to my cheeks. I don't know if it improves the circulation or I might be just crazy and seeing things. But sorry guys, I usually look over there because I can see me, make sure that I'm in the screen, and it's hard to look at a hole to talk to you guys. But maybe I should put like a tiny little, I can't, then it would be a mess. I'm gonna put a little bird right there so I stare at the bird. I'll try. What I thought that was really cool about this mask, it's fabric. It's not paper like I usually use with my cheaper masks. I don't know if there's a benefit of using the mask as fabric, but it does align to your skin much better, and I felt more comfortable using fabric than I do when I use paper. It says it has a double smoothing effect, tightening and lifting ingredients combined with collagen, and visibly it smooths the skin. And that's the thing, some of this stuff actually has collagen, which again, it's topically being applied, but if they have figured out a way for this collagen to soak in, awesome. Intense pro-youth action, a powerful polysaccharide ingredient acts to visibly reduce the appearance and signs of aging. I don't know what that could be. A polysaccharide. I think a polysaccharide means like multiple sugar chains. TimeFiller. This one has a value of $35, and this is the deluxe size. I don't think it's a full size, so I'm sure the full size is much more expensive than this. If I were to spend my money, I'd probably spend my money on this mask, and the full effects will take 2 months. But this mask has a BOTOX-like tripeptide, the highly concentrated formula of hyaluronic acid, and NCEF, infused peptide, helps contract and relax the skin and facial muscles for a visible smoothing effect. So it's like the bomb, the magic, everything is in here. Put it on and you should see effects in 2 months, I believe. I might take money out of my own bank account if this thing works, because I am looking forward to this one. The next product is the night mask. This multi-correcting night mask is ultra concentrated with a formula including the brands NCEF and melatonin CX for visibly younger looking skin in the morning. I don't know what melatonin CX is. I did not read that one up. If I find anything about it, I'll put it right here. Apply a thin layer at night to clean skin, and then including the eye contour area and neck, and can be used daily depending on the needs of your skin. So I have not used this mask yet. It's super tiny, and they gave me a one-time use only. Does it work long-term? I do not know. But the idea is you go to sleep at night, put this on, you wake up in the morning looking refreshed, your wrinkles will be ironed out, and your dark circles will improve. So tonight, I'm gonna set myself a reminder, because I forgot to do this yesterday, to put it on to see if I see any difference, and I will share with you during my edit. This one is a travel size, which is ideal. I'm going on a trip in a couple of weeks, and I'll be taking this at $5. Anti-aging micellar cleansing solution. I usually use micellar water just because I heard it cleanses real well. There is another whole school of people that do not believe in micellar water. It's just micellar waters, I think. I don't know. I have used it, it works, it's perfect. I'm thankful that the skin store sent this box to me, and they also sent me a coupon to share with you guys. It's CATH25, CATH 25, and y'all can get a 25% discount on this box. So the box has $170 worth of product, and you can buy it for $88. And of course, it's a limited edition, so it's not something they're gonna have all the time. So you can buy it for $88, and in addition to that, you can use my coupon code and get 25% off. Yay!
No, you know she looks so good, but she ain't so pretty.